Hello everybody, this is Ransing sharing you the applications of modules in teaching learning, very commonly known as the virtual learning environment that we use in teaching learning in the particularly under the Royal University of Bhutan. We see one of the powerful platform called virtual learning environment. This virtual learning environment is being powered by software called Moodle. This Moodle is an open learning platform which is being used by many people across the world. Today I'm going to talk about what are the different versions available as of today, and also I'm going to talk about my own experiences of using this Moodle in teaching learning. Moving to the next, one of the most common management software used across the globe. The latest available version is 3.9 as of today, and many people use 3.5 to 3.8 versions, and some people are still using less than 3 versions. So the very common today is 3.8 version, which is common to majority of the people across the world. When I say across the world, there are 146 countries, and these Moodle has got 365 different software integrated into this management system. So now I will take you to how is the experience of using this Moodle as a platform for teaching learning. My practical experience of using this is very positive. I would recommend to use this VLE platform for teaching learning, because if teachers are able to produce useful resources, interactive resources, immersive and engaging resources, and involved students and the larger group for learning a task, and if there is a continual assessment of students learning, if we are thinking in those point of view, yes, these VLE platform powered by Moodle is the best forum for all of us. Let me share you one by one. I have around 6 different areas that I have chosen to discuss in this session. Number one, these platform makes it easy for us to exchange the resources. Any resources can be books, video, audio, any kind of resources, can be animations. If you want to share any resources to your children or to the learner, then we can make use of this platform. It's very easy. Simply you can just upload the resource that you like to share to your children. Children on other side can easily access to all the resources that has been provided by the tutor. So it is very easy for exchanging, communicating, and sharing the resources. Number two, it is easy for developing activities, handouts, and when I say handouts, here we are thinking about how to develop very interactive lessons. Like for example, we have here the H5P plugin which helps us to make very interactive PowerPoint, very interactive video lessons. You can also put lot of questions into the any lessons that you are aiming to teach. So for example, if I explain one, if you are planning to prepare a PowerPoint to deliver your lessons, your PowerPoint, within your PowerPoint you can incorporate many questions. These questions will help you to actually find out how much your student has learned. So if students go through the PowerPoint, then there will be a lot of questions is being asked in between the PowerPoint, and children need to answer the questions. If the children don't answer, they need to go back and learn about the contents and again attempt it. So that is called interactive. So these actually encourages the children to learn the content again and again. Easy to develop interactive lessons. Many of the lessons that you wanted to give to your children will be followed by few questions to be solved at home. Same questions can be made online and interactive, where for every activities it's being followed by varieties of questions. It can be fill in the blanks, it can be true false, multi-choice question, multiple choice questions, arranging order, drag and drop, and leveling the paths, so and so forth. Fourth one, easy to collaborate in group. These platforms makes teachers motivated to use more and more collaborative group discussions here, because children gets an opportunity to be in group and work on a same page, and they can see others work and improve their own works by looking at others work, can also share their own experiences. So such thing is possible in the wiki, blog, discussion forum, and including conference. Easy to develop assessment tools like quiz, interactive video, and PowerPoints, where we can put many questions and ask the children to answer. So these quizzes actually helps to understand the level of the children's learning. So when I just put just a few points here, probably you must have thought, yeah, only the VLE features are very much limited. No, this is not. At this time I'm using around 3.4 to 3.5 version, and if you choose to go for higher version, you'll get more and more features. So in this video, my focus would be more on how to make your lesson plan very interactive, how to share resources, and ultimately how to assess what you have taught. So in the next lessons, probably I'm going to talk how to prepare quiz questions for assessing students' learning. I hope this will help you to understand about the Moodle and the VLE platform. Please continue with the next video. I'm going to talk about the quizzes, different types of quizzes that we are going to use in the classroom learning and also in the lesson delivery.